Soul Barbecue aims to showcase the history of Chicago on a plate, and today we're learning some tips and tricks for one of the most sought-after pit masters in the city.
Yep, owner and executive chef Daniel Hammond joins us now to share how to create a new meal from leftover barbecue, if there ever is any leftover barbecue, is what I should say first.
It depends on what you're cooking. And so let's say if you cook it or if somebody else cooks it, and let's say we have a large piece of meat like a brisket or a beef short rib, we can take that beef short rib out of the refrigerator. We're gonna pull that, we're gonna chop that meat off there.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
It's really good.
Yeah.
It really is.
If you have to say so yourself, right? Because you cooked it.
You know, who am I to judge, right? And so we take that off of there. If you're good with your knife or whatever, you chop it up.
Okay.
Get it into pieces.
Yeah, this is still cold though, so
Still
this
cold.
has had a chance to marinate.
Yep.
The flavor's really gone through it.
That's some of the best, especially with beef.
Oh, yeah.
Beef tends to hold flavor overnight very well.
Okay.
So you're gonna have a hot pan, get some butter to it. We're gonna add 2 pieces of Texas toast.
White bread, girl.
Yeah.
There's that white bread again, so y'all heard that part. And so we're gonna take this, we're gonna add it to our skillet.
Okay. Just with butter.
Just with butter.
Okay.
Just with butter.
Excuse me, what eventually are we making here?
We're making a sandwich. So you're basically creating a brand new dish out of a dish that you already had.
Okay.
And this dish essentially can be dinner for the next day. If you want to make an omelet out of it the next day, you can do the same concept.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And that's what I do
Yeah, that's what I would
in
do.
my house.
Yeah.
So we get that fire up. We're gonna let it sizzle a little bit. Feel free if you want to add like a pinch of kosher salt
Okay.
to it to add to the flavor. And we get that rolling. Once we get that rolling, add some heat to it.
Because you're just warming it up at this point,
Just
right?
warming it up.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
We don't want to overcook it. It's already cooked to perfection.
Yeah.
You're going to take your 2 toasted pieces of bread. I got 2 ready here. We're going to move this knife out of the way because sharp things.
Yeah.
And,
Especially around us, too.
Right. And so then we go ahead. We're going to take some of that.
Oh, you get a little more
And-
butter on the
and-
bread.
Yeah. Quality control. Quality control. You need that.
Yeah.
You need that. Yep. So take that. You're gonna pour that on there. Don't worry if you spill on the side. It doesn't matter.
Nothing goes to waste.
Yeah, nothing goes to waste.
Oh my gosh, is that good?
Right. So you're gonna smash that on there. Don't use a spoon. Use your hand. Use your hand. What are we doing?
Yeah, come on.
What's that?
So what this is a chipotle aioli coleslaw with Chicago-style jardinera.
Okay.
So this is bringing the Chicago to life.
Yeah.
Chicago has a rich history from the meat industry. Of
course, yeah.
The background.
yards.
So back of the yards. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to bring that concept back to what Chicago barbecue is supposed to be about. A lot of people don't think we have a style. We do.
Yeah.
Oh, please tell me.
Yeah,
Yes.
we do. A lot of it comes from the Mississippi Delta, and it started with the rib tip and the hot link on the south side of Chicago. And so now we're in a position where let's showcase all of the meats. Let's do the pork. Let's do the brisket. Let's do the, because we have a history in all of that. And so my goal is to bring back that love for Chicago barbecue right where we're at. And we don't have to compete with Texas.
No.
We don't have to compete with
Anybody.
St. Louis. We are our own thing. Great thing about Chicago is a culinary city.
Yes.
So we have so many different options.
Look at that. That looks
Ladies.
to
Yeah.
die for.
And so that's what you call the history of Chicago on a plate?
Yes, yeah. So everything I do is basically inspired by something from Chicago. Inspired by what Chicago brings to the table. I think that we don't get enough just due in barbecue in the industry. And so my goal is to bring it back, bring it back to the love for it. What are we doing? What are we bringing to the table? So that's where I'm at. So I would urge you guys to try this.
I was like, I don't know if I can get my mouth around it, but I can definitely pull on it.
Get a napkin for you.
All right, so you are a sought-after pitmaster, and I think you were saying that you are a barbecue influencer?
I am.
We were wondering what that was.
I am. Well, I developed a pretty good following on Instagram, on Facebook. And so now I've been put in a position where I am a brand ambassador for different brands. One of the major brands that I'm an ambassador for is Weber Grills.
Yes.
And
you got some good news recently.
I do. I got some very good news. It's a Chicago-based brand, of course. Just got the news. Starting June 8th, I will be hosting 2 classes in Lombard for teaching barbecue. And to end it off, we're going to do a dinner hosted by me with my menu at the Weber Grill restaurant downtown.
Oh, so nice.
So they invited me to do it, and I took the offer, and I'm really excited about it.
And that's kind of a preview because you eventually want to open your own restaurant.
Yes, the goal is to open. And this is the new reveal. The goal is to open Second City Smoke Barbecue by this year. So, Smoky Soul is my catering business, but Second City Smoke, that's my new baby. That's the restaurant. And I think that's very important. So,
I think what's so cool about your story, too, people don't know, you have a theater background.
Yes.
You were a special education teacher for a long time.
Yes.
And was cooking on the side and then turned it just recently into a full-time job.
And a singer and songwriter.
Oh my gosh.
I actually have traveled the country singing. I wanted to be a singer so bad, and I still.
You can still sing while you cook.
I already knew that. See, I knew you were gonna do that. I knew you were gonna do that.
I mean, if you want to.
We don't have to.
Okay. Well, I want to put you on the spot.
We don't have to. But either way, go ahead.
So you still offer your catering. Your catering business is Smoky Soul Barbecue Chicago. Here's your social media handles as well as the website. People can reach out to you if they need to get a spread coming up, right?
Yes, of course. We do a lot of corporate catering, a lot of event catering, picnics, live cook experiences. I bring out the big smoker, and they love that. They love that part. I do the festivals and everything. So we developed a pretty good following here. So.
I am digging the jardinera in that too.
Right? That's really good.
Yeah, I like the heat on there. Daniel, that was awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you. I appreciate you guys.
Love that.